Hello and welcome to our channel. I'm Sharon from Sunburst Spark. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to be using the Sunburst Floral Stencils 360 for demo. Here I put some temporary adhesive on the back of my A2 size panel and stick it onto my work surface. Then I simply align the base of my Stencils 360 Friends Edition on top of the cardstock. First I took Barrel A, the 6-inch stencil from the set. As you know, our new ink pads are divided into 4 seasonal palettes: spring, summer, fall, and winter. However, in this demo, I wanted to show you that you can easily mix and match ink colors from the 4 different seasonal palettes without the stress. These are professionally curated by our color expert, and you can pick up any ink color combination from whichever palettes and still be confident that they're going to match flawlessly together. Here I use Head in the Clouds from our spring palette, and I am spinning my stencil at a 30-degree turning interval and inking to all the solid circles. Then I'm going to clean my stencil once with our newly released microfiber cloth, and I'm telling you, this cloth cleans really well. Then I'm going in with another color, Puya, from our autumn palette, and then inking on all the outline circles. When I'm blending alternating colors, I like to start with the lighter color first and then ink blend the darker color on top. And always blend light-handed and then adjust the pressure if you need to. Then I use Barrel B, the 4-inch stencil, and tape that together with the 4-inch guide ring. This time I'm using Wild Indigo from the Winter palette, and I am spinning my stencil at 22.5 degrees, i.e. jumping on all the heart stops. Another quick tip for you when you're doing ink blending to a smaller turning interval like this is to try and vary pressure as you ink blend. This way you get more gradients. Since there will be lots of overlays with a small turning interval, you wouldn't want your pattern to look too dark or too solid or stiff, which will make the blended design less appealing. Then I stamped out a scripty sentiment from the Your Beautiful Inside and Out stamp set using VersaFine Onyx Black. To finish off, I added a bunch of gems in sapphire to complete the floral pattern. Now, thinking back, I should have ink blended the middle with some more ink to fill the white space, but it's not the end of the world. I then threw my panel onto the card base. This is a 110-pound card base. And that's about it. This card is super easy to do. It only took me less than 10 minutes. So don't limit yourself to the same seasonal color palette for mixing and matching. I encourage you to try a combination of different colors from the different seasonal palettes. Hope you enjoyed this inspiration. I'll see you in my next video.